Ratan Tata Biography. Ratan Tata, born on 28 December 1937, in Bombay, British India, present-day Mumbai. Ratan Tata is the son of Naval Tata and Sunni Commissariat. They got separated when Ratan Tata was 10 years old. He was then formally adopted by his grandmother Navajbai Tata through the J.N. Petit Parsi orphanage. Ratan Tata was raised with his half-brother Noel Tata, son of Naval Tata and Simone Tata. The 84-year-old attended Campion School, Mumbai, Cathedral, and John Connon School, Mumbai, Bishop Cotton School, Shimla, and Riverdale Country School in New York City. He is an alumnus of Cornell University and Harvard Business School. Ratan Tata, as chairperson of Tata Sons. When J.R.D. Tata stepped down as the chairperson of Tata Sons in 1991, he named Ratan Tata his successor. He faced stiff resistance from many companies' heads, who spent decades in their respective companies. Tata began replacing them by setting a retirement age. He further made it compulsory for each company to report to the group office. Under his leadership, the overlapping companies of Tata Sons were streamlined into a synergized whole. During his 21 years of stewardship, revenues grew over 40 times and profit over 50 times. He got Tata Tea to acquire Tetley, Tata Motors to acquire Jaguar Land Rover, and Tata Steel to acquire Chorus, turning the organization from a largely India-centric group into a global business. He also conceptualized the Tata Nano car. The car was capped at a price that was within the reach of the average Indian consumer. Upon turning 75, Ratan Tata stepped down as the chairperson of Tata Sons on 28 December 2012. Cyrus Mistry was named his successor. However, the board of directors and legal division voted for his removal on 24 October 2016, and Ratan Tata was then made the group's interim chairman. A selection committee comprising Ratan Tata, TV's group head Venu Srinivasan, Amit Chandra of Bain Capital, former diplomat Ronan Sen, and Lord Kumar Bhattacharya was formed to find the successor of Ratan Tata. The committee named Natarajan Chandrasekaran as the chairperson of Tata Sons on 12 January 2017. Ratan Tata invested his personal savings in Snapdeal, Tbox, and Kashkaro.com. He also invested in Ola Cabs, Xiaomi, Nestaway, and Dogspot. Philanthropic work of Ratan Tata. Being a supporter of education, medicine, and rural development, Ratan Tata supported the University of New South Wales, Faculty of Engineering, to provide improved water for challenged areas. Tata Education and Development Trust endowed a $28 million Tata Scholarship Fund that will allow Cornell University to provide financial aid to undergraduate students from India. The annual scholarship will support approximately 20 students at a given time. Tata Group companies and Tata Charities donated $50 million in 2010 to Harvard Business School, HBS, for the construction of an executive center. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, donated $35 million to Carnegie Mellon University, CMU, for a facility to research cognitive systems and autonomous vehicles. It is the largest ever donation by a company, and the 48,000 square foot building is called TCS Hall. Tata Group donated 950 million rupees to the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, in 2014, and formed Tata Centre for Technology and Design, TCTD. It was the largest ever donation received in the history of the institute. Tata Trusts also provided a grant of 750 million rupees to the Centre for Neuroscience, the Indian Institute of Science, to study mechanisms underlying the cause of Alzheimer's disease, and to evolve methods for its early diagnosis and treatment. Tata Group also formed the MIT Tata Center of Technology and Design at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, to address the challenges of resource-constrained communities, with an initial focus on India. Ratan Tata wife. I came close to getting married 4 times, and each time, I backed off in fear, or for one reason or another, said Ratan Tata in 2011. He once loved a girl in Los Angeles while working there, and had to return to India as his family member was ill. The girl's parents didn't allow her to go to India. Tata stood by his commitment and is unmarried to date. Ratan Tata family. Jamshedji Nusservanji Tata, founder of Tata Group, India's biggest conglomerate company. He was married to Hirabai Debu. Dorabji Tata, the elder son of Jamshedji Tata, and second chairperson of the Tata Group. His wife was Meherbai Tata, the paternal aunt of renowned nuclear scientist, Homi J. Bhabha. Ratanji Tata, younger son of Jamshedji Tata. He was the pioneer of poverty studies. He was married to Navajbai Tata. His wife adopted an orphan, Naval, who was the grand-nephew of Hirabai Tata, and raised him as her own son. Naval Tata, adopted son of Navajbai Tata. His biological father was Hormusji Tata. His maternal grandmother was the sister of Hirabai Tata. Director in several Tata companies, ILO member, and recipient of Padma Bhushan, Naval Tata had 3 sons, Ratan Tata, 5th chairperson of Tata Group, Jimmy Tata, and Noel Tata, chairperson of Trent Limited, from 2 marriages. Ratanji Dadaboy Tata, he was one of the early stalwarts who served the Tata Group. His father Dadaboy, and his mother Jamshedji Tata, Jivanbai, were siblings. He married Suzanne Breer, and the couple gave birth to 5 children, including J.R.D. Tata and Sila Tata. J.R.D. Tata, he served as the fourth chairperson of the Tata Group. He is the founder of Tata Airlines, later Air India. Sila Tata, elder sister of J.R.D. Tata, was married to the founder of the first textile mill in India, Dinshaw Manekji Petit. Her sister-in-law Ratan Bai Petit was married to Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. Jinnah's only child, Dina Jinnah, was married to Neville Neswadia. Awards. Ratan Tata received the Padma Bhushan in 2000, and Padma Vibhushan in 2008, the third, and second highest, civilian honours awarded by the Government of India. Tata has also received various state civilian honours, such as Maharashtra Bhushan, in 2006, for his work in the public administration in Maharashtra, and Assam Vaibhav, in 2021, for his contribution towards furthering cancer care in Assam. Death. His death occurred at Breach Candy Hospital, in Mumbai, where he had been admitted due to a sudden drop in blood pressure. Initially, he had reassured the public about his health on October 7, stating he was undergoing routine checkups related to age, but later deteriorated and was moved to the ICU. Ratan Tata, former chairman of Tata Sons, passed away at 86 on October 9, 2024, in Mumbai. A renowned industrialist and philanthropist, Tata led Tata Group to global success and invested in numerous ventures. His death marks a significant loss to India's business world and philanthropy. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.